Today discussing topic is about the earth pit resistance measurement. You can see here the earth pit. It is very important for the protection from the electrical shock and for the stability and reliability of the electrical system for discharging of the extra charges on the any equipment and the systems. So the how we doing the earth pit maintenance. So regular earth pit maintenance is very important, but it is too much tough for regularly maintenance of the earth pit. But regular inspection, testing, and addressing any types of issues, corrosion, moistures buildup, it to be checked on certain time basis. It may be in quarterly basis, it may be in half yearly basis, or you can do it in annually basis also. Maintenance procedures. The maintenance procedures is the visual inspection. What is the visual inspection? Periodically inspect by opening the cover slab, that inside the earth electrode or the connections between the earth electrode and electrical flat, the any types of corrosions or any type of degradation of material, if they are, you have to physically check the degradations and use the CRC or any types of painting that will remove or increase the longevities of the connectivity between the earth flat and the electrodes, and that ensures the safety of your substation or your power plant. Cleanliness. The earth electrode pit, open the earth electrode pit and surrounding area free from any types of debris or any types of vegetations and remove it, and also the accumulated water if any, just water from there, the water you should have to remove the water first. Earth electrode maintenance, it is a very important inspection of the earth electrode or the corrosion or the damage, or replace and repair if it is necessary by help of your physical inspections. Moisture control, it is very important because the maintenance appropriate moisture level in the earth pit is very important, because if in the dry season the resistance is increasing here, if the resistance is increasing, the current will not flow from there. So you have to maintain the moistures for maintaining the good conductivities or low resistive path. If you are maintaining the low resistive path, then the earth electrode functions will be proper maintained. Vegetation control, prevent the vegetation, especially the tree roots, and from growing around the earth pit, as they can damage the electrode. So you have to remove any types of vegetations or small branches and trees. It is very important to be maintained. Corrosion protection, for any types of corrosion protection, corrosion resistance coating or painting to expose the metal component from the earth pit like electrode and connection to prevent the degradation. Record keeping is very important, because if you can maintain the records, and it will obviously be a positive attitudes or positive matters to maintain the material or maintain everything, the test report, activities, your inspections, you should note or be signed and kept as per your maintenance schedule purpose. Testing, conduct the testing earth electrode resistance and the earth electrode condition and the soil resistivity. Soil resistivity is a very important periodical measurement of the soil resistivity around the earth pit, and change in soil resistivity can affect the performance of the grounding system. So soil resistivity is very important. Repair and replacement or corroded component of the earth pit, including electrode and connections, you should check it properly. So what is the importance of the maintenance that we are talking about today? The safety. First is the safety. Safety is the most important factors in the substation or in the power plant. So safety, proper earth pit maintenance is crucial, and the safety of personals and equipments, as it is help to prevent the electrical shock hazards and equipment damage also. System reliability, a well-maintained earth pit ensures the reliable functioning of the electrical system by providing the low resistance path for fault current. Compliance, regular maintenance help to comply with relevant safety standard and regulations. So by following these types of maintenance procedures, you can ensure a long-term safety and reliability to your electrical grounding system. So it is very important now talk about what is the connections you can do for your earth electrode or earth resistance testing purpose. So earth resistance testers as this. Here the lots of knobs are here the skin are here, the display, and suppose it is the earth electrode. You have to connect this with the earth electrode, and here from this earth electrode 10 meter and 10 meter to testing rod you have to just inside the soil, put inside the soil, and this connectivity from here and this connectivity from here. The gap may be 10 meter. So this gap from the earth electrode to your testing rods and also your testing rods is 10 meter. After pressing here the digital earth resistance tester, so after pressing here you can calculate the earth resistance, and it is very important for the performance of the earth electrode also. What type of soil is present here, what is the resistance of the soil, on the depending of the resistivity of the soil, the earth electrode corrosion functions also start. So it is depend on each others. Quarterly basis you can measure the earth pit resistance value. If it is below the 2 ohm, then you have to do something like that. What is you have to do? Check the earth pit resistance value. It should not be below the 2 ohm. If the resistance value is more than 2 ohm, then fill the salt solution in the earth pit. And if the resistance value is below the 2 ohm, then fill the water and salt type earth pit through the funnel for the moisture increasing, because if the moistures will increase, the resistance will low, and the low resistance path is our desirable quantities. So you have to maintain the moistures inside the earth pit. It is very important. And also it is obviously important clean the rusted electrode. If the electrode has been improperly or badly rusted, so the terminal of the electrodes and also the connectivity between the earth pit, earth flat is very important to remove the rusted parts. If it cannot be removed, and obviously change the earth electrodes and connectivities. That will increase or maintain the proper resistivity or proper resistance between the systems, between the earth and the electrical apparatus, whatever you are using. So by help of the CRC or MRE papers, first remove scale out of the rusted materials, and if cannot be removed, please change the earth electrode accordingly. You can use the grease on the earth electrode terminals on quarterly basis or half yearly basis. It will increase the it will decrease the rusting properties or degradations properties. You can use the grease, industrial grease obviously you can use here. Now let's discuss about what we have draw today. I have draw a earth pit but my drawing is not very good. it is the earth pit as per the substation. That's why we can just cover it in the blue green colors. And this is the cover slab, upper cover slab, and this is the earth electrode, and this is the earth rod or earth electrode is a pipe type, and from here the funnel type position is there. So you can just put here the salt and any types of chemicals that is just decreasing the resistance of the earth electrodes. And water, you obviously you have to moisture it, because if you doing the moisturings of the earth electrode inside, and this will obviously decreases the resistance of the earth electrode, and it will be good path for the any types of charges on any types of equipments, or any types of fault current can flow to the earth properly. So you can here you see the layer of the, this is the rock layer, this is the sand layer, and this is different types of layers in the inside the earth. So just I have draw for your understanding. This is the topsoil. In the topsoil we are just making the civil work of the earth pit, and from this earth pit we are just putting here to identify that this is the earth pit. So you have to maintain this earth pit properly. And we can fill the marconite or bentonite. Marconite or bentonite is a chemical that you can obviously here also you can use here. It is the chemical earthing. You can obviously use a salt, charcoals for the better conductivities. So it is a basic pictures of the earth pit that's we are just doing or just manufacturing inside the substations or inside the power plant. So friend, this is a basic idea and the most important procedures that you have to maintain for proper checking and proper maintenance of the earth pit, because it is very important for your electrical systems. And this earth pit you are using these types of earth pit in the substation or power plant, or also these types of earth pit we are using in the transmission tower. Beneath the transmission tower, these types of earth pit for the tower protection purpose, or any types of shocks or lightning will be there. That will be the electrical charges will be directly grounded by help of this earth pit. So it is very important to remember the earth pit. So friend, thank you very much for watching my video. If you interested, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updated or natural electrical video. Thank you very much for watching.